Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cloud9 Property, and today we will be talking about the project Adani Lushland, which is situated in Sector 2 Gwalpahari in Gurgaon, which is in south of Gurgaon. So till now, if you haven't subscribed our channel, do subscribe for more information regarding projects and also regarding real estate news. We talk about Adani Group. So this is the most famous group in real estate in India, which is like they have worked on many projects. They are successful also, and right now they are working on number of projects also, and this project is one of them only. So if we talk about this Adani Group, so this group is most famous and most known for their unique theme, concept, ideas which they present and deliver in their apartments, and resident also like they are happy with it. An investor who invest in this project in Adani Group, so they also get many of profits from this project. So now if we talk about this project, which is in Sector 2 of Gurgaon Gwalpahari, so this project is coming in two types, two categories, which is 4 BHK and 3 BHK. And this project is connected with Gurgaon also, Faridabad also, and also with Delhi. So connectivity location is perfect, and you are getting everything in like near the connectivity. So being close to Gurgaon, Delhi, Faridabad, so resident will get more comfort and happiness and joy also, and also like you will be getting great connectivity and location also. So if we talk about amenities, so Adani Lushland Gurgaon project aims to provide you the houses with best amenities: barbecue area, clubhouse, indoor games, kids play area, restaurant, yoga and meditation area, basketball court, gym, jogging track, reflexology area, and swimming pool. So now if we talk about the project, so there will be total 4 towers. In tower A and C, you will be getting total number of floors 22 and 2 units on each floor. In tower B and D also, you will be getting 2 units on each floor, right? And in tower A and C, you will be getting 4 BHK plus lounge plus utility room plus powder room. Now if we talk about tower B and D, here you will be getting penthouse also in upper and lower portion both, and also you will be getting 4 BHK plus utility room plus powder room. So this will be all about the project. So if we talk about the price, so price will be starting from 9.97 CR, and rest of the price will be disclosed on the request of your preferences. If we talk about location and their advantages, then you will be getting connectivity through Delhi, Faridabad, Gurgaon. Also, you will be having 25 minutes of drive for IGI Airport, for 20 minutes drive for Gurgaon Railway Station, 10 minutes drive for Golf Course Extension Road, Golf Course, then Cyber City, Cyber Park, everything it will be nearby 10 minutes. And in 5 minutes, you will be getting a connectivity through your metro station nearby. So these all details was regarding Adani Lushland Group, which is in Sector 2. And if you have any query or you want more information regarding this project, so do contact on this given number present on your screen, and meet you soon in next video with new projects and new ideas and new news in real estate. Thank you.